This is the pup's
I'll tell you, this
backyard.
He's got his head through my
To the grass. It's a gorgeous afternoon. Which one is that, Joanne?
You want snow? What's wrong with that? Come on. Come on. Come on.
Anybody that has not seen a pooper scooper? This is a pooper scooper. Which we now need.
Yeah, and there's one right over there too. I can. A mountain climber. You were a mountain climber. You're gonna like to mountain climb. Oh, and you made it to the top. Is that that?
No, I don't think she. Not doggy. Not doggy. The intrepid little girl.
What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Oh, you just are so sweet. Oh, yes you are. You just is. Who's gonna tackle one? They said, why would we play with a toy when we have snow? For heaven's sake.
Steve, are you seeing these dogs play over here?
Yeah.
It's like
Much more interesting.
oh, they've never seen it before.
Look at it. Oh, did she outsmart you again? Darn it.
Is it good? Come on. This is your first time to see. Well, yesterday you saw some.
Come on. Come on, you can do it.
Oh, it's also good.
Woo.
It's also good.
Woo.
It's a watch I get.
Oh. Just come on, let's go this way. Let's go this way. Come on. Look, this is like the Pied Piper. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, everybody.
These dogs.
Come on. This way.
They're polite with you. They bite me.
Oh, no.
This is a sock that Gail makes. She's going to have the puppies play with it while they're still here, and then she'll take it home with the puppy smells. I will. Oh no! Here comes the kisser.
You just keep insisting on the kissing.
Oh.
What? That's good. Oh,
Is that Green Boy?
what are we going to do? I'm going to roll him on my back until you tell me. That's what I'm going to do. He's been amazing. I'm just going to...
Kiddos! Chicks!
Come on, chicks.
Hey dogs! Hi there! Hi there! Hi there! Hi!
Hey, come on. Okay, you don't want to miss out on the fun. You know it. Yes. I see you. Okay, push your ball. Here. Because you're so silly. You're so silly. You are so silly.
Oh, you babies.
Here. I think you're going to be the first to go after this.
Yeah, Gail thinks that you're so polite because you're not biting her.
No.
Oh, yippee! Steve took this one too.